I got a package in the mail recently. Just arrived today. Been waiting for this for a couple days now. As some of you may know, my server is a Rackables 2U unit. I'm a fan of the Rackables units because their fans aren't crazy loud. But inside this package here, we have 32 gigabytes of DDR2 ECC RAM to upgrade my current 16 gigabytes just because I'm basically running out of space running all my VMs and everything. But yeah, I'm going to install these today, hopefully upgrade the RAM. As I did mention, I bought them from this eBay seller, Geek Noise, I believe is how you'd say it. They have a nice eBay store, so shout out to them. And there is a little warning here. This is ECC RAM, does not work with computers. So I'm gonna get my server shut off, put it on the table here, and we'll swap out the RAM and see how it goes. Well, this is gonna absolutely kill me. I was going for a really long stretch on the uptime here, but I'm gonna have to do it. So now I'm going to go over to the server, take it out of the rack, and we'll get the new RAM installed. Alright, here we go, out of the rack. Man, it has been a while since I have done this. Pretty dusty in there, as you can see. Just going to clean that up a little bit. Oh my god. It's been a while since I've done that. Probably should have done that sooner. Alright. I'm just gonna open this guy up here. Get access. Let's get some of the dust out of there. Alright. So as you can see, here are the RAM slots. Currently 16 gigabytes installed. I'm going to get on my bracelet that's grounded to my outlet. And first things first, I should probably get the old RAM opened up here. So they got that wrapped pretty well. Let me grab a knife. Probably not the safest way to do it, but it works. So here we go. New blocks are ready to go. As you can see there, looking pretty good. They're HP sticks, it seems. I just bought these things used off eBay, so not exactly sure about the name brand. We'll see what my old ones are, though. That is really in there. I haven't removed these since forever. So here's our old blocks. They are 2 gigabyte blocks. The new ones are 4 gigabyte blocks. Some name I've never seen, HYST in the serial number there. But otherwise, unbranded. So we'll be replacing these with the HP blocks. So I'm just going to go ahead, get the rest out here. I'm going to try and keep them in order so that this way if something does go wrong, I could just plop them back in and not have to worry. So. Ah, those are hot. I just turned this off like a minute ago, trying to minimize downtime here. Those are really hot. Ouch. I see why they have heat sinks. Alright. Again, new block. It's an HP, 4 gigabyte. I'm gonna go ahead and get this guy installed. Alright. Next module. This part's boring. You can go ahead and fast forward. Oops. Almost put one of the old blocks in there. Gotta make sure it's the new ones. So these all look like they're HP. They're luckily not all miscellaneous, which is good because you never know what you're going to get off eBay sometimes with some of the cheaper posts. Alright. few more to go here. And just get them out of the bag properly. Try not to drop them all over the place. Alright. Get some dust out in there. That was real bad on my part. I haven't dusted this thing in weeks. Alright. I said I haven't dusted it in weeks, more like months. It's been running for almost a year now. No downtime. Just got new WD blacks in it at the beginning of the year. They're already a year old though. Not really new anymore. Almost done here. Okay. There we go. Make sure all the tabs are in. Alright, so as you can see, there's the new blocks all installed. This will be a total of 32 gigabytes. How many do we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, 8 times 4, 32 blocks. I'm going to go ahead, close this up, and get it back in the rack as soon as we can. And I'll be back on the next screen. And here we are again on the Proxmox screen. Just their like home dashboard site here. And we're looking good. 31.41 gigabytes. So back up on the RAM here, and then if we scroll down, should see, yep, total hasn't gone up yet. Let me shorten this to, I'm sure the graphs will update soon enough, but as you can see, it recognizes 32 gigabytes of RAM. So I'd say this was successful. This has been a 32 gigabyte RAM upgrade in the Rackables 2U server. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time. Hopefully I'll do something else somewhat interesting. Alright, thanks. Have a good one.